how to install Applinked on Firestick. Now, Firestick has actually a wide range of special features. This includes downloading third-party applications via using the Amazon App Store that is currently built in on your Firestick. However, AppLink is actually not available on any app store. Our last option that we could do so that we can still install this AppLink is to use your built-in browser that you have on your Fire Stick. Now just head over straight into your Fire Stick built-in browser and then just simply type in AppLink. And then of course you just have to choose on any specific or any reliable sources out there where you could download it via an APK. Once you've successfully downloaded it, all you have to do is to enable ADB debugging by going into Settings, Device, Developer Options, and allow apps from unknown sources so that you can completely install AppLink on your Amazon Fire Stick. And that is how you install AppLink on Amazon Fire Stick.